Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. My name is Dineo and I am Dineo Leas Tole 123 on Instagram. And if you've been supporting me, thank you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed, honey, what are you waiting for though? Please do click on that subscribe button, like and share my video as well. Click on the notification bell so that you know when there's new content available for you to watch. And guys, please do not skip ads while watching my content. That is how I make some revenue on YouTube. I would truly appreciate that. I'm sure you can tell what this video is all about. We are doing another quick and easy weekend 4C hairstyle, or rather 4C hairstyle for the weekend. Some of you know that I run, so this will make it easy for me to maintain my hair throughout the weekend, because Saturdays are for runs, well, Saturday mornings are for runs and Sunday it's for church. So this hair is gonna keep me for the entire weekend. Then I'll see what I'm gonna do with it on Monday or Tuesday. But yeah, welcome to yet another 4C hairstyling video. Very easy to achieve hairstyle. I hope you feel the same way as you watching the video, and let's get right into it.
all so slow, stars don't glow anymore. Heart feels hollow. In my mind, you still shine bright. Lost in time, hold you tight. Silent whispers haunt me softly every night, chasing shadows gone from sight. Rain hides my tears, feeling lost in these endless fears. In my mind, you still shine bright. Lost in time, hold you tight.
And that's it, loves. This is my hairstyle for the weekend. Easy to do and to maintain. Some of you know that I run on weekends, so this will make it easy for me to maintain my hair throughout the weekend. We'll see what we're gonna do with the hair in the coming week, but this is where we are and I'm loving it. You can, you know, just make a little bowler as well. Yeah, can make a little bowler and we're good to go, guys. We are good to go for Saturday and for Sunday. Let me know your thoughts about this hairstyle. It is one of my go-to, like, yeah, when I have my hair open, this is one of the hairstyles that you will find me in. Please let me know if you found this to be easy. Is this something that you're gonna try out? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you have watched up until this far, I just want to say thank you so much. I truly appreciate your love and your support. Till we meet again on my next video. Bye.